This brand is a private label brand made for the Everest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The units are sold through dealers in the USA. The ASX13 models are basic units with scroll compressors and a compressor blanket for quieter operation. They have Comfort Alert onboard diagnostics and a louvered steel coil guard, but only an average guarantee. The ASX-C18 is a premium unit with the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling systems. The unit also has a 2-speed condenser fan for added energy savings/quieter operation and is backed by a very good warranty. The AVX20 model is their entry into the ultimate category, and it has an efficiency rating up to 24.5 SEER as well as an ECM fan motor for years of reliable service. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.